What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail. So today's cocktail, we are going all American here with Alabama Slammer. Gonna say it's a very much a classic, very popular in the 1970s. Gonna say it's still popular throughout the 80s and 90s, and it's one of those. It can be appreciated. It's a classic. It's the Alabama Slammer. It's certainly a strong one, but I wouldn't have it any other way. So let's get straight into this. So to make the classic Alabama Slammer, it is 4 ingredients, but I did see a weird little variation of it. But I'm going traditional today of Amaretto, Sloe Gin, orange juice, and Southern Comfort. But the weird one that I saw was a substitution of the Amaretto with vodka and grenadine. So that's a little bit of a weird take. I've never seen a Alabama Slammer with vodka in it before. But for this, we will stay true to its roots of Sweet Home Alabama. So let's make it the traditional way. So get your highball glass and fill it with ice, which I've already done. Fill it right to the top and put to one side. So what you want to do now, guys, is get your cocktail shaker and put in 4 to 5 ice cubes. First ingredient into the tin, my friends, is a 30ml or 1 ounce of Southern Comfort. Next, 30ml or 1 ounce of Amaretto. As you can see, we are using a Di Serrano. Next, 30ml or 1 ounce of Sloe Gin. And last but not least, 2 ounces or 60ml of freshly squeezed orange juice. So get your head, put it on. Now give it a good hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. Get your highball glass and strain into it. Now for garnish, you've got 2 ways of doing it. You can do it with an orange peel if you wish, or you can use a cherry. We're going to go down the cherry route. There we go, one Alabama Slammer. It may have lost its appeal over the years, but it's still very popular in the state of Alabama. Because it's a very fruity drink, this, and certainly it's quite a strong one as well. And that's where it gets its name from, the Alabama Slammer. Cheers. How does it taste? If you love Amaretto, you'll love this drink, especially with the orange juice, and it's got plenty of flavour with it, especially with the berries of the Sloe Gin with it and the unique taste of Southern Comfort. It's a beautiful whiskey, it's a beautiful blended whiskey. That's what Southern Comfort is. So with Southern Comfort, you can just drink it over the rocks, because it's a very nice whiskey liqueur that you can have over the rocks. It's very nice to just enjoy, but that is very fruity, very strong, not to be underestimated, but I certainly rate it. I can see why the people from Alabama love the Alabama Slammer. It's absolutely fantastic. I don't think that tastes right if you had vodka with it. It's because the Amaretto is what makes this drink, in my opinion, especially because of the tartiness of it. Because it's a unique taste of the Amaretto that makes it. It's because it tastes like almonds, that's what it is. I love Amaretto. Almond has that very nice sweet taste with it. It's absolutely beautiful. But for that, I'd probably give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. That is the Alabama Slammer. What do you guys think? Have you ever had it? Do let me know in the comments below. I was going to say, so any American drinks or any American cocktails, do let me know in the comments below. I was going to say, I've also loved tasting different cocktails from different states in the US of A. Absolutely fantastic. That's the Alabama Slammer. But if you're new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, more American drinks like this, more American cocktails, and I will see you guys for the next one. Cheers. Have an awesome day, everyone. I can see why it's popular in the short version. That's absolutely beautiful.